New court filing dropping just over an hour ago. This is surrounding the police body cam footage and the death of Jabari Peoples.
Judge Elizabeth French set a deadline of next Tuesday for the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency to give the court the body cam footage. Peoples was shot and killed by a Homewood police officer in June. Since then, his death was ruled justified, and his family was able to see portions of the footage, but they say they haven't been able to get a copy or see the footage in its entirety.
Yeah, the video is at the center of legal action taken by Jabari's mother. Today, demonstrators with Black Lives Matter join Jabari's family ahead of the hearing over the legal matter. WVTM 13 was inside of that courtroom today.
WVTM 13's Aaron Llewellyn joins us live and local. Aaron, what's the latest?
Yeah, Guy, Brittany, a little over an hour ago, the judge overseeing this case amended the order that she gave both the Peoples family and the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency. Now, this comes after a Rule 27 hearing that happened earlier today where the legal team asked for the preservation of the evidence in this case. Now, with the new amended order, the family has until Thursday to update the petition for the body cam video worn the night he was killed, while Aaliyah has until next Tuesday to give the court an exact version of the video seen by District Attorney Danny Carr. Now, the video from the night Peoples was killed is at the center of this legal battle because of inconsistencies in what the family and attorneys say they saw in the video versus what the district attorney says he saw. Now, Black Lives Matter says that's why it's still fighting to get the video released.
I believe that that's some untruth. Based off of what the family have seen and based off of the statements that was made, it is clear that there is some information or something somewhere, and that information needs to be brought to the court.
Now, again, the whole purpose of the hearing that happened earlier today was about preserving that evidence in this case. Now, we are still waiting on a decision or when that could possibly happen and when the judge could make a decision about that Rule 27. So we will keep you updated on when that happens. For now, we are live here in Birmingham. Aaron Llewellyn, WVTM 13.